guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed's Love of Cars coming at you again. So we can't do much. Track is closed. It's been raining, but it looks like it's kind of dry. I hadn't really done nothing with the cars. So what I'm going to do, this car is loud. What I'm going to do right now is I think I'm going to go out to this little spot I go to and practice some launching. Because I've only been launching my car at maybe like 1500 when I've been kind of like practicing. But I've been seeing that in order to get a good 60 foot, I see people online saying that they're launching their car at like 5,000 RPMs. Now I think my car is gonna push through the brakes at that or start spinning. I don't know how they're doing it at 5,000 RPM. So I'm gonna see if I can at least get 3,000 before I push through the brakes or the back tires start spinning. So I have a feeling the tires are gonna start spinning, but we just gonna see what we can do. And this will be a quick run or whatever. But anyway, I'll be right back at you as soon as I get to the spot. So I'm on my way. Man, I don't even have much gas, so and I don't feel like stopping. So this will probably be fairly quick. This car drinks gas like a damn athlete drinks water. But nevertheless, we're gonna get a few hits in. I really wish I could do a few nitrous hits, but I'm fresh out. For anybody that's thinking about going with nitrous, it's cheap initially, but if you like to play with it a lot, you're gonna be broke. Because I ran out in probably like 2 weeks. Now I was hitting it quite a bit, but damn, that's $67 only lasted for about a total time, I would say, of about maybe less than 10 minutes. Because it's not even like I was hitting it, you know, going down the track. So, you know, if you think about nitrous, getting nitrous for your car, you may want to think about that. Because those bottles go empty quick. So I can only imagine how, I'm thinking if I took it to the track, I would probably get a good 4 hits, maybe not even that. Well, at least 4. But that's something to think about if you're going with nitrous. If you go with a turbo, you ain't got to worry about that. You're gonna always have it. Go with a supercharged, you're gonna always have it. Okay, so we at the spot. It's a beautiful day. Not so much, kind of cool. So the first thing we are going to do is get a burnout in. See if I can get that popping. Here we go. Let's see. Okay. We got the burnout. Now let's see what I can do before it starts pushing through the brakes. Before it starts pushing through the brakes. Here we go. See, I'm already spinning the wheel. That was a pretty good launch. Pretty rough, but pretty good. Let's try it again. This is what you do when you get bored and can't do nothing because of a damn virus. Let's try it again. Let me straighten it up. burnout. But had the camera in the hand at the same time. Okay, let's see what we can do. I want to at least get it to 3, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to. I still think that's kind of whack. I can't get it past 2 before the wheels start spinning. So I don't know what they be doing. Maybe I need to get like a fucking line lock or something. Okay, let's get a burnout. That was pretty good. See if I can line up in the tracks. Probably not. Okay, let's see what this lunch gonna do. 1,500. 2. $1,500. 2. I was still in reverse. Oh shit. Fail. Okay, here we go. 1,500. 2. Okay, that's about as good as it gets. I can get it to 2. We'll have to see. We'll just have to see how fast that 60 foot is gonna be when I spray it. Let me get a quick rip. A quick NA rip. Okay, so there you have it, guys. It's just a little short video of me trying to practice my launches. So what did we learn from this? At 2,000 RPMs my wheels start spinning. At the track I probably can get a little higher than that because the track is going to be stickier. In fact, it may be a little harder to do a burnout. Well, actually it won't because I'll be in water. But so I'm thinking I can I'm hoping at least get 2,500 at the track and get a good hit off nitrous. But I don't know, we'll just have to see. This your boy Jay Reeves, love of cars. This it. Holla at your peace.